Okay, so here we go. Boards are installed, nothing hooked up. There's the G2A board and all the components. So I'm going to hook up these wires off the main board. Green here to the first one, then blue to the middle, yellow to the far. Take this connector off the board, this is on the board side, to the motor for the wheel side. Hook those two together. Take the whites, same. Hook those two together. Okay. Then you have your pad wire. And I take it and I hook it to that to the right terminal right here. Right there, to that one. Okay. Front light wire that goes to the lights. Put it right here on this board. Okay, that one's there. Ribbon cable that goes across from the two boards. Put it right there. And there, you can see it installed. This wire here that goes to the front lights has nowhere to plug in that I can see. If anywhere, it plugs in here, but not sure because that's not in the other video because that plug has two. The power switch for the on-off button plugs in right here. To that terminal. Take your battery wire, run it through. One side to the other. Hook the battery to the board.